Hello my friends, I'm Goldy Katso and I have made this cute small mini album. It's kind of plain, I will explain why. I have created for Mother's Day. Actually I have made so many for my mother that I gave her as a present. Most of them having photos of her youth, but this year I have made something really plain, because my mother isn't very fan of scrapbooking or so ever, and I wanted to give her something that it will be plain and easy to just attach some photos of her on that day. Perhaps she could meet with some of her friends, because now with the coronavirus these things are past. But since she is vaccinated, perhaps they could arrange some coffee time all together of them. So I have used 6x6 Victorian home from Scrap Boys, as you can see. I have used only 6 pieces, I mean only one repeat of the designs. Okay, these. I have used one repeat of the designs out of the pack. And then some black cardstock, and that's it. So I have made 4 pages. I have folded in half 4 of the design papers, and I attach them on the hinges I have created. It's open over here, as you can see, and then I placed some glass wool. I don't know if you can see some of it here, just to make sure this will never fall out. And then I cover the inside with some more black cardstock, and after that I placed the pattern paper for design. It's really easy. Then the covers, it's plain, because my mother is a kind of person that will glue some photo here, and then some other here and here, and that's it. No more flowers or embellishments or nothing. And in the best case, she might place some white papers in here, writing her thoughts. Maybe, I don't know. So this is it. I have explained really quick how I made it, and I'm thinking of creating a tutorial as well. It's an easy creation, let me know if you want me to do it for the next week as a tutorial, a video tutorial, or perhaps if you prefer a live one for making one of these cute mini albums. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Goldy's Katso Creations. Perhaps follow me on Instagram or Facebook with the same name. You will find me by the Goldy's Creation as well. So, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.